Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to take a look back at all the Draw So Cute drawings from 2018. Thank you for all the requests and love for all my look back posters. Hopefully you guys will love this 2018 one just as much as my 2017 and 16 one. Just go to my website at www.drawsocute.com and download it for free. Just as long as you use it for your own personal use, you can do whatever you want with it. And I hope it will decorate your thumbnail, your computer, your phone, whatever you wish. Hope you guys love this compilation of Draw So Cute drawings, and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite drawing of 2018. Now let's start the show with some cuteness overload.